Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my class. Today I would be happy to help you to tackle these English grammar and vocabulary questions. Once you remember the rules, they become much easier to solve. Okay now? Next, come to our first question. John met his friend dash a park. John met his friend dash a park. Here we use in. Here we use in because for enclosed area or enclosed place with boundaries, enclosed area with enclosed boundaries, we use in, like in a park, in a city, in park, in room, etc. On, we use on only for the surfaces, on the table, on the hand, on the floor. We use on for only for the surfaces. We use in for the boundaries with enclosed area. Through, we use through only for passing one end to another end. Then for is used for a reason. Okay, for is used for a reason. So the answer is John met his friend in a park. Option A is the right answer. Okay, let's come to next question. I lost dash pen which you gave me yesterday. Here we use the definite article. We already know that there are three articles. One is definite, two other is indefinite article. The is definite, a and an is indefinite. The is used for a specific object. Here we are talking about a specific object which was gave me yesterday. Since it's just not any pen, it's a pen which was given yesterday. So we use the definite article. Then C is the right answer. Now the question is the opposite of eligible is. Opposite of eligible is. In English, many English words starting with E or L, we use prefix in. To make opposite, we use prefix in. Okay, to make opposite. Many words in English, many words with E or L. E or L, we use prefix in. Okay, so ineligible is the right option. Ineligible is the right answer. Uneligible is a common mistake, so don't fall for it. Okay, now anything is possible if dash. Option A, you do not believe in yourself. B, other believe in you. You believe in others. You believe in yourself. This is, we already know that this is a motivational power. Motivational power. Option D is right answer. You believe in yourself. Anything is possible if you believe in yourself. Possibility starts with self-confidence. Okay. So let's come to next question. Fill in the blank choosing the correct question word. Dash books are these. Question word means WH questions. Why, when, whose, where. Here the question is dash book are these. We use whose. C is the right option. Whose book are these? Here whose shows the ownership. We are not using why because we use why only for reason. When is used for date, day, time, etc. Where is used for place. Okay. Where? So the right answer is C. Whose? Whose shows ownership. Okay. Whose book are these? Okay. Let's come to the next question. The plural of mouse is. This is an irregular plural. Here, just like food changes to. See here. Food, just like food changes to feet. Goose changes to geese. Same as it is, mouse changes its internal oval to become mice. So the mice is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Let's come to the next question. Deeds speak louder than words. The meaning of the underlined word is. This is a famous idiom. Okay, this is a famous idiom. Deed refers to action. Option B. Deed refers to is more important than what you say. Okay, so action speaks louder than words. So the right answer is option B. Next question. Birbal was an intelligent man. Identify the adjective. Adjective is a word which shows quality of a noun, or it shows what quality he is. Okay, it shows quality of noun. Here man is noun. Birbal is also noun, person. Man is also a noun. See, was, it is a past tense. Intelligent. Here intelligent shows the quality of Birbal. So the right answer is option D. Intelligent. Okay. The contracted means short form of could not is. I already give your tricks. In last video, I already give you tricks how to write shorter form, how to write contraction form. Okay, let's once again we revised it. Could not can be written as could plus not. Remove wo from not. Could plus nt. Where we removed wo, we use apostrophe. Okay, so could not is the right option. Option A is the right answer. Ramu is very genius. Dash he is. Here this shows possibility of high trade. Okay, high quality trade. Possibility of high quality trade. This shows a difficult circumstance. So we use. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.